Xpeng has officially launched its G9 premium electric SUV in China as its flagship model. Set to hit the market in October, the G9 boasts the quickest charging rate of any EV currently on sale, 480 kilowatts, and it's not only meant as a rival for other electric SUVs, it has its sights firmly set on conventional internal combustion-engined SUVs from established automakers. There's a base single-motor rear-wheel drive model that has 313 horsepower and a dual-motor G9 performance model with 543 horsepower and 717 Nm, 528 lb-ft, of torque. Xpeng says the G9 can sprint to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 3.9 seconds. Both versions are limited to 124 miles per hour, 200 km per hour. One battery option is available, a 96 kWh pack that gives the single-motor G9 a claimed range of 702 km, 436 miles, and 650 km, 403 miles. Xpeng is currently in the process of installing 480 kilowatts charging stations in China, which allow the G9 to go from 10 to 80% in just 15 minutes. It adds 124 miles/200 kilometers in 5 minutes. It's worth noting that its stated range is calculated on the new CLTC, China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle that has replaced the NEDC as China's standard for measuring efficiency and range. We'll have to wait for the vehicle to make it to Europe where it will be tested, but based on its specs, it should have a real-world range of around 500 kilometers, 310 miles. In terms of its design, the G9 is certainly stately and imposing. It does look like it is influenced by similar SUVs from other brands, the ones it is intended to steal sales from, but overall it's a nice-to-look-at vehicle that with a posh side to it. And just like all other big fancy SUVs, this one too has a big trunk capable of taking 660 liters, 23.3 cubic feet, of cargo. The posh exterior impression is confirmed inside where the G9 impresses with its 3-screen array, 2 big displays in the center, one for infotainment, one for the passenger, and a small digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel. Each of the 2 large screens measure 14.96 inches and they provide excellent graphics and responsiveness thanks to the use of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 graphics chips. It has all the comfort features you'd expect from a vehicle costing around $75,000, like heated front and rear seats. Front seats are also cooled, a smart voice assistant that works well, good soundproofing and a 29-speaker premium sound system that is used to create a 5D experience for occupants by also using the screens. Lights, seat massage functions and even different odors. Safety is also a key selling point for this vehicle, according to Xpeng, which points out that it comes with LiDAR and an additional 31 sensors and cameras to make sure the vehicle is aware of its surroundings. It can also connect to 5G networks and in the future it will get Xpeng NGP, Navigation Guided Pilot, which is the Chinese automaker's answer to Tesla Autopilot and full self-driving. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new publications.